yung lalaki. One boys for the fun boys. 1 winner for the boys and 1 winner for the girls. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a winner for the boys. Tag-isa na lang siya. Palakpakan natin. Okay. Ako pa, may kinig. Alright, please stay there beside me, okay? Hi. Okay, what's your name? Okay, what's your name? Sean, okay? Anong ano yan? Character?
Prince.
Ha?
Prinsipe.
Oh, may mukha kayo. Yung kukutangan ko, yaluan may kayo. Alright, sige. Let's clap our hands for Sean Prince. Palakpakan naman natin. Nag-iisa ka. Thank you. Wait. Ayan na siya. Picture taking daw, kuya. Okay, last na lang. And after that, let's proceed for the bubble show, okay? Wow. Thank you. Please go back to your mommy. And for the girls. Wait lang, kung ikaw. Tinkerbell. Mamaya ka nang sumalag po. Okay.